too cold. The wind too strong. It looks like storm weather. Wait, big and fat carrot. Ha ha ha, let's eat and tie you out. Hey, that's you cheat me. Yes, this time you cannot run out of it. Wait, you slowly, don't be hurry up. If I not hurry up, you will run away. I know you often cheat me. Today I must show you to open the eyes. Oh, the hunter, what? You! Oh, why they hold here? Ha ha ha, today I don't need to do anything. But you live not easy. The hole so deep. How you can get out of there? Ha 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 ha. Okay, let's come out here. That's fair for you. Ha 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 ha. He is almost dying. What if he is laughing? You are so silly. That's why I can cheat you. Ha 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 ha. How dare you are? You almost died. Why you say that? Do you think my eyes not good and I cannot see the hole? No, I tried to jump down there. It's not true. Normal, nobody is jumping down there. Do you see the wind so strong? Tree in the forest shaking. Why like that? The sunset is about to collapse. That's why I come down here. Really? Are you cheating me? Up to you to believe me or not. I am very kind to tell you. If you don't want, you can stay there and wait the sky falling down. Oh, the wind blew so strong. Maybe he's right. He is the most intelligent animal in this forest. When she come down there, maybe has a reason. Oh, come on, go to hiding. Why you stay there? I have a place and it's very warm down here. The place here. We'll have to find another place. Oh gosh, what are you down here? This is my place. I like this place. Where your place? I know, I not tell you. Let's see what's going on. Let the sky falling down. Why don't come down and take my place? It's too small now. Oh yes, this place too small. Enough for only one person. What do you mean? This is a good chance to kill you. I will throw you out of here, and the sky falling down, you will be die. No, I beg you. The sky almost falling down. I will be die. You want to stay here? No way. This is my place. Ha 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 ha. Get out of my eyes. If you jump down, I will throw you again. Wait to die. How is stupid. I cheated you to come down to save me. So you stay there to hide. Stupid. What? You cheated me again. Conspiracy, rub it again. I am so stupid.
Don't forget like, comment and subscribe to get new videos.